I got some peed off puppies. Yeah. The lady, this isn't funny. I know, but I'm washing the floor. I know. Look at that. Say, please adopt me. Yeah, I know. By next week, I won't be able to get away with the soaker tub, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Who's my howler? Hello, Nico. Hello, Sharon. Say hi. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, my sakes. Yeah. Yeah. Nico. Hi, Nico. Come over here, Nico. Hi. Yeah. Say, adopt me, please. I'm Rudy. I'm Sharon. I'm Peter. I'm Nico. And Rudy. We need to go together. And I'm Destiny. Yes, I know. It won't be long, honey. I just gotta let the floor dry, okay? Yeah. The babies. What you doing? Oi. I know you two too, eh?